Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
We were learning about fractions. So the numerator is how many parts we have, and the denominator is how many parts the whole was divided into. Now let me teach you about dividing fractions. This is a formula which everybody would love to do. It's kill Corona forever. It's K, take the first letters of kill Corona forever, KCF. K is for keep, C is for change, F is for flip. So for example, if you have to divide 2 by 3 with 4 by 5, what you do is you keep the first fraction 2 by 3, you change the sign of the second from divide to multiply, and you flip the next fraction 4 by 5 to 5 by 4, and then you multiply. So after multiplying, 5 into 2 is 10 and 3 into 4 is 12. So we can simplify it a bit further and it comes to about 5 by 6. Now these were dividing fractions. Kill Corona forever, keep, change, flip. ठीक है, हमारे हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए हमने पहला वाला फ्रैक्शन रखा और फिर उसका दूसरे वाले का हमने साइन चेंज किया डिवाइड से मल्टीप्लाई में और उसको घुमा दिया बाला बाला, जो हमने इंटीजर्स में भी सीखा था, वो बाला वाला बहुत गाना अच्छा लगता है, फ्लिप कर दो उसको. ठीक है. नाउ अभी हमने ये तो कर लिया, अब हम सीखते हैं कंपेयरिंग, एडिंग, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रैक्शंस.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.